This is the Jagannath temple in Mahesh, Sirampur. It is said that Shavrapuli Raja Manohar Rai built the Jagannath temple in Mahesh in the 16th century. Later, when the temple built by Raja Manohar Rai fell into disrepair, Nimaichand Mollik of Saptagram Mollik family built this present temple in 1755. This widely reached type Carvelinia Ragdale temple has attached baranda. The temple walls are decorated with scattered terracotta lotuses. Rath Yatra and Snan Yatra are the famous religious festivals here. Radharani, a famous short novel in Bengali literature, is written in the context of the Mahesai Rath Yatra.